Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showcasing the top 5 best bike conversion kits on AliExpress that stand out in the market for their exceptional quality. I've carefully selected this list based on factors like popularity, performance, affordability, durability, user feedback, and more. For more details about these products, be sure to check the description section below. And don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated with our future reviews. Now, let's get started. Number 5. Electric Bike Conversion Kit 20 to 29 inch. The Electric Bike Conversion Kit, 20 to 29 inch, 700C, 48 volts, 2000 watts brushless motor, is a game changer for those who want to upgrade their traditional bike into a powerful electric bike without the hefty price tag. This all-in-one kit includes a high-performance brushless motor hub, designed for both front and rear wheel installations. The 2000 watts motor provides excellent speed, efficiency, and power, making it ideal for a variety of terrains, from city streets to mountain trails. The 48 volts system ensures a longer range, while the brushless design minimizes wear and tear, requiring less maintenance. Easy to install and compatible with most standard bike frames, it's a favorite among DIY enthusiasts. Users appreciate the smooth acceleration, quiet operation, and the freedom to switch between pedal power and electric assistance. Whether you're commuting or exploring, this e-bike conversion kit enhances your riding experience, making it a must-have for cycling enthusiasts looking to electrify their journey. Number 4. Electric Bicycle 48 volts 2000 watts e-bike conversion kit. The Electric Bicycle 48 volts 2000 watts front/rear gearless hub motor wheel with KT-LCD display and 48 volts 50A controller is an ideal solution for converting your regular bike into a powerful electric bike. The 2000 watts motor offers impressive speed and performance, making it perfect for both commuting and off-road adventures. The gearless hub motor ensures smooth, quiet rides without the need for maintenance. The KT-LCD display provides essential ride data like speed, battery status, and trip information, keeping you informed during every ride. The included 48 volts 50A controller ensures reliable and efficient power management. Customers love the simplicity and ease of installation, along with the durability and performance of the motor. Whether you're upgrading your current bike or building a custom e-bike, this conversion kit offers great value, power, and long-lasting quality for an enhanced cycling experience. Number 3. CSC Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. The CSC Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit is the perfect solution for upgrading your regular bike into a powerful e-bike. Featuring a 48 volts 1000 watts brushless hub motor, this kit offers a smooth and efficient ride, ideal for commuting or recreational biking. It's compatible with 20 to 29 wheels, including 700C bike wheels, making it versatile for various bike sizes. The high-quality motor provides excellent speed and torque, ensuring you can easily tackle hills and long distances. Customers rave about its easy installation and durability. Many have noted that it significantly improves their biking experience, offering a smooth, quiet ride and reducing fatigue. With its eco-friendly design and cost-effective performance, this conversion kit is a great way to experience the benefits of an electric bike without buying a new one. Upgrade your bike today and enjoy the thrill of an electric ride. Number 2. Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit. Introducing the Electric Bicycle Conversion Kit, a powerful and versatile upgrade for your bike. This kit includes a brushless wheel hub motor, available in 36 volts 350 watts, 500 watts, 48 volts 1000 watts, 1500 watts, and 2000 watts options, giving you the flexibility to choose the perfect power for your needs. Compatible with 16 to 29 inch wheels, including the 700C size, it's designed to convert your regular bicycle into an electric bike effortlessly. The kit comes with everything you need: motor, controller, throttle, and wiring, ensuring a smooth installation process. Whether you're commuting, exercising, or just enjoying the outdoors, this conversion kit offers improved speed, range, and comfort. Customers rave about the smooth ride, easy setup, and the ability to turn any bike into an e-bike. Enhance your cycling experience with this high-performance kit, the perfect way to go electric without buying a whole new bike. Number 1. Bafang 750 watts e-bike conversion kit. The Bafang 750 watts motor BBS02B e-bike conversion kit is a powerful and reliable upgrade for your electric bicycle. With its 750 watts mid-drive motor, it offers smooth and efficient performance, making it ideal for both city commuting and off-road adventures. This kit is compatible with 48 volts and 52 volts Halong batteries, available in 17.5Ah or 20Ah options, ensuring long-lasting power for extended rides. The motor's high torque capabilities allow for better handling on steep inclines and rough terrain. Customers rave about its easy installation, quiet operation, and impressive battery life. Many users report increased speed and smoother pedaling, transforming their regular bike into a high-performance electric bicycle. Whether you're upgrading your current bike or building a new one, the Bafang 750 watts motor kit is a top choice for anyone seeking power, efficiency, and versatility in their bike experience. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tech reviews. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.